y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming to you with a hair tutorial on how I install these curly clip-ins. These clip-ins are from Curlsqueen. This is the packaging. It comes with a nice detangling brush. It works really good. A bonnet and some replaceable clips. Okay, so this is the hair right out of the box. The curls are so nice, so bouncy, shiny. I love them. Like, love, love, love. Okay, and this is the hair after I have washed and conditioned the hair. The hair is still a little damp, and the hair does get bigger, you know, as the day goes on, but yeah. Okay, so this is my braiding pattern. Don't judge me. I know it looks a mess. But anyway, I only have the front little perimeter out. As you can see, I'm going to do the flip over method. Okay, so now I'm placing the clips, and I'm doing them like in a U shape, so the hair will fall down in my face how I want it. Okay, as you can see, I'm just continuing to do that until I get to the top. So I'll be right back. Okay, and when you get to this point, just lay the clip-ins straight across. So I know these are not going to be completely dry because I literally just did it and blow dried it. But I'm going to try to see what they look like. If not, I'll just have to film this later because I got to go pick up my daughter. Let's see. Okay. Not terrible. I can make it work. Ooh, look at them roots. Wow, that was good for 10 minutes, but yeah, it's still soaking wet. You can tell it's wet, right? Yeah. But let's see if I can make this look okay. Do my edges. Oh Lord, because I already have heat damage, y'all. It's just amazing. I'm going to be using this Edge Control by Ivy Alexandra. I'll have the link in the bio. I usually don't put it. Oh shit. Ooh. I usually don't put the edge control like on my hair just on my edges, but I think it'll make it look a little better right now since it's still wet. I think it looks good. I might still have to do it over later because as you can tell, my hair has so much heat damage. Okay, let's just tuck that under. Yeah.